Hi, welcome back. If you saw my review of the Avant 220, which is very positive, I did have a few comments to say that I just had an issue with getting the bucket full when trying to dig. Now, the issue is that it just doesn't go horizontal, and as you can see here, just a few more degrees, 5 more degrees up, and we would be fine. As you can see here, it tips out, no problem at all. So I thought I'd try a bit of a hack and see if I could solve it myself.
So I've got the attachment ready to hook into the bucket, and this end will go into these parts here, and then the pins will get ready to go there. Could it be as simple as a bit of 2x4? Okay, if we put that in there, that will give it the tilt. Let's try and get it in first of all. So that has given me now a complete horizontal tilt, is what I'm after. Question is though, will it stay on okay? And I just worry you're going to do damage. They're not designed to do this, you know, it's hanging on the top part, not the bottom part. But we'll give it a go, see what it looks like.
Okay, so as usual we've got a bit of wheel spinning going on. I mean, it was pretty wet and the 220 does do that. You can see other videos. But we've got the bucket in. I was going in quite deep and look, completely horizontal. Big thumbs up. That is a far better bucket load than I would normally get. So I have to say, at this point I'm thinking to myself, you've nailed it. But here comes the problem. We go to empty it. Now, look at the angle. It does go beyond horizontal. I tip it up, have a look, and I realise it just can't empty it.
We've managed to take a chunk out. So when I had the bit of 2x4 in, as you might have noticed, I could dig deeper, but I could get more in the bucket, but I can get it out again. It just hasn't got enough vertical tilt on the bucket one way or the other. It either gets too much in and can't get it out, or it's too far down and can't get enough in. So it is looking like a bit of a design flaw on the old Avant. So for light jobs like this, for shifting stuff around, it's fine. But just another 5 or 10 degrees of tilt, you'd actually have a good tool there, a good bit of kit for doing a bit of digging as well. Never mind.
Well, as you might have seen, I'm working on my own project and I've been filming it. It's a DIY getting completely out of his depth, and it includes buying the Avant 220. I'd love it if you watched the video and maybe subscribe to Alex Builds. Hope to see you soon.